guys, you're watching Tony R619 Breaks. Booyah!
Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video. I got the last bots of the half case of Benchwarmer Eclectic 2016. As you can see, we've gotten a lot of good cards. The Audrey Allen zebra print, which is actually little zebras. And then the awesome Dairy Air of Brandy Moses, which that was 3 out of 3. The 3 of 5, Sarah Underwood. The 1 of 1 of Cecile Gar. Hopefully we can get last bots mojo on this one. Still in quarantine, not in quarantine, but in stay-at-home order by our governor, the governor of California. So I'm staying at home, being safe. I hope you guys are safe as well from this coronavirus, guys. All right, wish me luck. Wish me luck. Okay. First off, our bots topper, we got Sierra Price. We did get one autograph bots topper in this half case. And there it is. Booyah, Sierra Price. All right. And let's get these cards out. These are really hard to get out. So let me get these out. Put the little stack right here. You really pack them up, guys. Okay. Here's the stack. We'll start off with the political cards. We got the Clinton controversies. Look like there's one per bots. And one of these Trump under fire. Looks like there's one per bots. And then we got this one. Best Truman. These are actually pretty cool portrait cards. And then we got our Sarah Underwood, one per bots. Beautiful card. And it's 25 out of 25. Sarah Underwood. Very nice. From 2016 Eclectic. In 2014 Eclectic, they did the Carmine Letra. But the ones for Sarah Underwood, it's a thick stock. You see how thick that is, the cards? So it's really thick. So awesome. Sarah Underwood. And then we got Brandy Roderick promo card from soccer. Set of 12. I like the promo cards. I try to collect the promo cards. Got another promo card. This is Andrea Lowe. This is Sin City promo. Booyah. Andrea Lowe. We got another promo from hockey. This is Jennifer Walcott. I like this promo set. The hockey promo set. They did 2 of them. This is a little damage. Jennifer Walcott, she is hot. She is hot. Then we got the Eclectic autographs. I think you get 4 per box. We got 2 out of 5. Jamie Hammer. It is hammer time. Booyah. And this is card 176. What they did, they just continue with 2000 out of 2014 number. They continue to 2016. Then we got Sandra Taylor. We got Angela Fong. For all you Fongies. Andrea Lowe. And we got Buffy Tyler. Boob. Yeah, the under boob. Oh my goodness, look at that. Booyah. Buffy Tyler. And then we got our Eclectic swatch. Eclectic Collection swatch, very nice. Claudia Jordan. Plain blue, but it's got some kind of pattern to it. Awesome. Claudia Jordan. Price is Right Girl. We got the little minis. We got Irina Voronina. Daisy Duke minis. Raquel Pamplin. Booyah. And Michelle Baina. And then we got our Thanksgiving cards. We got Shelly Martinez. And Shelly Chestnut. So Shelby and Shelly. Shelby Chestnut and Shelly Martinez. What name do you guys like better, Shelby or Shelly? And then we got our Eclectic a premium base card. 9 out of 10. Lisa Lacados. Redhead. And Mary Riley. Nice. Mary Riley. Oh, look at this. There's nothing on the back. It's a blank back. And it's got gloss. So if it has gloss, obviously they did it on purpose, I think. I think they did it on purpose. But it's a blank back. Mary Riley blank back. And then we got from past products, we got Cassie Lynn Logston. I work at with this girl that looks like this girl. Don't know if I'll see my co-workers ever again. Ashley Mattingly, we got put in furlough because of the coronavirus. Got Shaylin Veazey. So I don't know when I'm going back to work. Jessica Hall. And the last card is Holly DeRoe. All right, cool. I think my favorite in this whole box was probably the Sarah Underwood. So there you have it. That's the first half of the case. We did hit 2 101s, and then I have another case to go, but I'm gonna hold that one for another time, and I'm gonna break probably some sports cards. All right, I'll see you guys later. You guys take care. All right, be safe. All right, see you guys. God bless.